A domestic argument taking a turn for the worse. The Bradenton stepfather accused of shooting his stepson in an argument trying to get out of jail today.
ABC 7's David Suppes brings us the latest from his bond hearing at the Manatee County Courthouse.
50-year-old Mickey McGuire receiving no bond at his hearing on Friday morning. The judge ruling that the evidence is overwhelming in this case, that McGuire did attempt murder and led law enforcement on a dangerous and destructive chase.
Therefore, this defendant will be held on pretrial detention on the charge of attempted murder with a firearm, pending resolution of this matter.
In the courtroom on Friday, the prosecution calling a witness, one of the detectives with the Violent Crimes Task Force, who interviewed the victim, the defendant, and investigated the crime scene.
The fight stopped. Mickey ran into his room, retrieved a firearm, and began shooting at him. After he was done shooting, obviously he had been injured. He saw the suspect Mickey run through the back door and leave. In the residential search warrant, there were spent casings, a firearm, ammunition, a black shirt, which was the victim's shirt, which had blood on it.
McGuire's stepson suffering multiple gunshot wounds with injuries to his head, shoulder, and leg. The detectives say the victim in this case is very lucky and that he is expected to survive his injuries. Meanwhile, the defense arguing that it was a mutual combat situation and that McGuire was acting in self-defense.
I find the state has met its burden of showing the need for pretrial detention. I find there's a substantial probability the defendant committed this offense.
McGuire will now be held in jail without bond pending a resolution in this case, and the victim, as we mentioned, his stepson, is expected to recover from their injuries. Reporting in Manatee County, I'm David Suppes with ABC 7, your local station.